You ever get halfway through your day and feel like you've already given everything you had?
Well, that's it. I'm done.
You're only on your third customer of the day, but mentally you have just hit a wall. You're out of spark. You're dragging. And the only thing keeping you upright is muscle memory and caffeine. Now let's be real. You're not lazy. You're not disinterested. You just sometimes feel empty. And in sales, that's dangerous ground. So on today's 5-minute sales training, we're going to help you rebuild your sales stamina and show you how to stay sharp when you're running low on energetic fuel. Welcome back, everyone, to the 5-minute sales training, where today we're talking about stamina, specifically how to protect your energy, sharpen your focus, and stay in the game when you feel like you got nothing left in the tank.
I'm exhausted. I've got nothing left in the tank.
Now, before we get started, if you like these videos, do us a favor every time, if you would, please just click the like button. It only takes a second. And make sure you're subscribed so you're always in the loop when we drop new episodes. All right, now, here's the truth. Stamina isn't just a challenge during slow seasons or tough markets. Some of the most exhausted salespeople I've ever seen were working in great markets. Because the job requires a lot of effort. And if it requires a lot of effort, it requires a lot of your energy. It pulls from every part of you: physical, mental, emotional. You're presenting, you're problem solving, you're staying positive for your buyers while juggling deadlines and details and follow-ups and constant decision making. And you're doing it all with a big smile on your face.
Smiles, everybody smiles.
Now that kind of energy output takes stamina. And I don't mean the kind of stamina that you get from pushing through. I mean the kind that you build, the kind that's sustainable. So if you feel like your sharpness is fading, or you've started going through the motions more than you'd like, let's reset. Let me give you 3 practical ways to rebuild your stamina starting today. Number 1, take better mental breaks. I'm not talking about zombieing out on social or scrolling listings that aren't even yours.
Okay, scrolling up.
I'm talking about actual mental relief, something that refreshes and engages you. A few pages of your favorite inspirational book, or a short walk with your phone on airplane mode, something that resets your brain without numbing it. Or number 2, fix your fuel. And I mean that literally. Food, sleep, movement, hydration. You don't have to be a fitness instructor, but if you're living on processed carbs, energy drinks, and 4 hours of sleep, there is no secret why you're crashing by noon. Look, sales is an energy sport, and your body is the equipment. If it breaks down, your performance follows. And number 3, track your leaks. These are the energy leaks, things you think are helping you decompress, but they're actually draining you. 4 hours of Netflix Prime Max Plus at night, not helping. Scrolling through algorithms that are specifically designed to make you mad, definitely not helping. Now look, I'm not a mental health care professional. I don't play one on TV. I'm not prescribing a full media detox. That's your decision. But I do believe that we all do need boundaries, because recovery isn't just about resting, it's about restoring.
Great, very restorative.
So here's the bottom line. Your stamina is your edge. When others start fading, mentally, emotionally, physically, you stay sharp. You stay consistent. That's how you build separation in this business. Not just in big moments, but in the boring middle moments. So here's your challenge this week. Pick one energy-building habit and one energy-draining habit. Name them, write them down, and make one small shift in each direction. Upgrade your recovery, cut out a leak. And if you want to go one step further, let's drop it in the comments below. Here's what's draining me, here's what I'm changing. Let's normalize the fact that stamina isn't just willpower, it's a system. Thanks for watching another 5-minute sales training. Until next time, you know what to do. Say it with me, boys and girls. Learn more, turn more.